I'm Taylor Dalton. In this corner, we have my little brother, Levi Dalton, who is 7 years old, and 61.4 pounds. No, 61.9 pounds. Shut up! In this corner, we have Nicholas Bishop. How old are you?
Taylor's blurry.
He's 8 years old. How much do you weigh?
Sean, how much do I?
You weigh 80. No, you weigh 54.
Yeah,
In this corner, we have Nicholas Bishop.
54 pounds.
It's like 64 pounds. He's
54.
54.
And they're going to be fighting.
Taylor Dalton is the referee. I am the referee. Come together, mon men. Do not hurt the dogs.
Scoot more in. I can't get it.
And 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Holy. I got half of it.
Harley!
Oh my God! Yeah!
No, come here, Harley. He took his sock.
Shane, you might throw my pick in the cage. He tried biting me earlier.
Come here, Harley. Go put him in his cage. Harley, in your cage.
Harley, it's okay. Get in there.
He's...
Harley, it's okay. Get in. No, get away. Harley, get in.
You are they're stupids, man. I can't believe they won't pick up a freaking dog.
Come on, honey.